In this video, I'll show you how to uncensor Twitch chat. I'll show you how to do it on both PC and phone. Now on PC, just go ahead over to your favorite Twitch streamer. Then as you can see here, in the right pane, here's your chat. Now, to be able to uncensor Twitch chat, just go ahead over to this cute gear icon right here. Click on it, which is named Chat Settings. And as you can see here, under My Preferences, you'll be able to see chat filters. All right, click on it. When this one is enabled for you, under that, there are some sort of options right here that is available as well, such as discrimination, sexually explicit language, harassment, or profanity. All right, now to uncensor everything, just go ahead and make sure that these things right here is ticked off. All right, once done, the toggle right here at the top will be turned off as well. Just go ahead and click on X right here and you're good to go. Now to do it on phone, open up your Twitch app. And as you can see here, with the same set of settings or the same set of instructions, but instead of tapping on the gear icon on a PC, we can just go ahead and tap on this three dots right here, tap on it. And as you can see, there's an option called Hide Offensive Language. All right, just go ahead and tap on it. And in here again, do the same thing. Toggle off, and toggle off. And go ahead back to the Twitch channel. And as you can see here, censored chats will all be uncensored. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.